Yeah.
Ang sakit nga niyan eh. Puro kalmot ni Jacob eh.
Puro libag pala yan eh.
Mga vlogger nandiyan. Ano ba yung baon?
Ang mahaba. Madilim din. Dapat kasi hindi mo dinidiliman. Para nakikita mo. Takot ako.
Mamanya sesak ko yung blood niya, sesak.
Jupiter is the fifth planet of our solar system and the largest, heaviest, oldest, and fastest spinning among its spheres. So, no wonder the Romans consider it as the god of thunder and lightning. But despite its mighty
Hanggang si
qualities,
Tintin
no
magano.
one dares to step on its
Magana ang kamay.
surface. Why? Because there is no surface
Makabahan
on
pagka ano.
in the first place.
Takot
500 yun
ako.
ha,
Baka
500 ha.
gamitin ko na, huwag mong paggamit ah. Nagasta yan, sata.
May isa pa pa.
Ano na? Mag-practicean mo na ako ha.
Unsod ka pa. Parang natatakot ko.
Saan? Ba't ka huwag kang ano? Ba't ka matatakot?
Takot dito po din. Masumawa ka mo nga. Dito yung mahirap eh.
Ano ba yan? Pabaon din? Paano?
Pabaon din?
Bayan pa? Ganyan ka pa?
Madilim mo. Dapat hindi mo kasi dinidiliman.
Di ba pwedeng nakaganto ako?
Ganyan ka.
Para hindi ka nakakan.
Yan.
Yung gaganto ako.
Ayan, ganyan.
That's an exciting situation to explore. Hey friends, as we know, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. But have you ever wondered why no one talks about landing on it, despite all the space?
Ka.
In today's episode, let us find the reason behind it and answer an uncharted question. What if you fell into Jupiter? Zoom in.
Kapay natin karay kung
Jupiter
na maisip
is
sa.
the fifth planet of our solar system and the largest, heaviest, oldest, and fastest spinning among its spheres. So, no wonder the Romans consider it as the god of thunder and lightning. But despite its mighty qualities, no one dares to step on its surface. Why? Because there is no surface on Jupiter in the first place. Yes, my dear friends, Jupiter is made of a supercritical fluid which shares the properties of both liquid and gases and has a seemingly endless
Sabihin mo pag
range of
nasakit ah.
atmosphere. So, in case you step on it, there are chances that you might find yourself free falling into it. But
Yung pala.
Sabi mo mamaya pag
you are
sumakit
first
ah.
in a special space.
Hindi mo. Okay na yan. Bakit pag sumakit?
Malito sa pag
If we
sumakit.
jump towards Jupiter
Ano
in
yan?
the regular space,
Mga na, panood na ako.
Kasi individual lang yun eh.
Na, ikaw na.
Wala pa
Hindi, hindi masakit. Kasi ano lang, parang yung uso lang naman eh.
Doon sa ano, din sa video yun. Ganyan.
in specially made armor that could survive for a while.
Kapit pala ako sa... Akala ko na.
Hindi nga masakit. Na ano lang ako nung minig siya eh. Na atong siya eh.
Way faster than falling on the Earth's atmosphere.
Anong karayom dyan, yan ma'am? Anong karayom yan?
Yan, dalawa na yan.
Falling with such a speed, soon we will find ourselves about 250 kilometers down into the ammonia clouds and experience
Mahaba. Okay lang. Relax ka lang, mama.
Kala ko nasot na ako.
Eh,
Hindi mataas.
hindi ko kasi kaya magpa-injection ng ganyang kahabang karayom.
Kaya yan. Ay, 10 si Papa.
Wag, ayoko.
Si Papa
Ayoko,
na lang
ayoko.
tin, wag na ako.
Tigil-tigilan niya ako ah.
Patingin nga Chang ng video, Chang. Hindi masakit, Chang?
Nanginginig lang siya eh.
Siyempre na ano yun, nilibago.
NASA's Galileo probe managed to reach there before the pressure of Jupiter's atmosphere destroyed it. But don't worry, we have a special suit that could bear this much pressure. So let's go further down where it's pitch dark. And the
Oh, naiwan yung karayom.
we have is the flashes of lightning caused by the storms rolling around us. At this point, the temperature will start.
Patingin nga, Chang, ang video.
Wait lang ako.
Natatakot ko.
Ang may siya.
We are protected by a special suit. So, with the form of
Dalawang karayom pala yan, Tin.
Tatlo nga eh.
Tatlong karayom. Tama kay mama mo, malaki-laki.
Ikaw na lang.
Ayoko.
Ayoko.
Hindi na yan, pag sumakit ha.
Ba't pag,
Masakit pa nga ang kurot ni Jacob eh.
ba't pag sumakit mali ang torok mo?
Masakit mangulit si Jacob kaysa dyan.
equivalent to the sun's surface. And if that isn't enough, you'll also be experiencing pressure equal to pressure on
Hoy, maghaplas ka na doon.
Titingnan ko yung pagturok sa ano mo eh, braso mo eh.
Kinakabahan ko.
this liquid that we won't be able to escape from. But we are determined to touch Jupiter's surface. Let's use our super suit and fall down thousands of kilometers until
Wala nang bula, konti na lang oh.
solid object
Dalawa na lang yung bulak mo eh.
Eh, may pampaopera ka pala eh.
May mahaba pa naman dyan.
Yung gunting. Pang-opera yan, di ba?
Yan yung mahaba eh.
Ha?
Yan yung mahaba na karayom.
Jupiter has 67 moons. Also, it has been visited 7 times by human spacecraft. Hope you learned something new in today's episode.
Uy, parang tumunog yung gate.
Puntahan niyo nga. Tumunog yung gate. Yung susi doon.
Ah, yung pinapunta ng ano.
Dapat ng gate lagi niyo pinapadlock yan.
Pinadla ko ba, Christian? Bigyan muna ako.
Ihilang si mama, tita. Ihilang siya. Ma. We got checked out of the solar system.
Parang haba ng karayom yan, Tin. Ha?
Pag nasanay na yan sa dental, hindi na yan parang ano. Patingin.
Mali
Po na, ma'am. Ay, titirahin ka na.
Dito?
Hindi nga masakit kasi yung ulo lang.
Gago ka.
Uso lang, uso.
Huwag mo kasing diliman.
Pasiritin mo tin yung makita yung pagsirit ng anesthesia.
Though the odds of this star entering our solar system are very low, but by any chance, if it passes anywhere closer to our orbit, it could surely throw the Earth out of its orbit and eventually the solar system. And if that happens, the first thing we will notice is the sun getting smaller and smaller with each passing year as we go away from it. And then the next thing we will witness is that without the sunlight, photosynthesis
Madilim kasi.
stop, wiping out some of the plants and forests. Yes, fortunately,
Tama yan.
some larger trees can survive for
Lumubo eh.
without it, but eventually, sooner or later, they will need the end
Mabigat.
Hindi naman. Taso kanina. Sakit yun.
Yeah, ma'am. Kayang-kaya yan.
Ligtas maliwanag. Madilim kasi tinadidilim.
Huwag kang pumisto kaya dyan, Tin, kasi madilim. Dito dapat si mama mo. Dito ka umupo ka sa gitna. Dito sa gitna dahil doon titira si Tintin para yung liwanag. Dito ka, dito ka. Diyan, upo ka dyan. Tapos Tintin dito. O, di kitang-kita. Diba?
Relax mo lang na.
Relax lang.
nothing but a barren wasteland floating aimlessly through space, becoming what we call a rogue planet. But fortunately, there is hope. Yes, with the technological advancements happening around us, we are sure humans will predict any approaching threat thousands of years in advance. Of course, nothing can be done to divert the star from its route, but we could at least make the necessary arrangements and build huge artificial complexes powered by geothermal and nuclear energy. And within these bubbles, humans would be able to adapt, grow, and thrive again. And if we are lucky enough not to collide with other planets and asteroids or get absorbed by a black hole, we will continue to
Yan, hindi masakit. Ito lang kanina. Masakit. Baka nalaliman mo to.
run.
Kanina pagturok ito, hindi. Okay lang yan.
That time, traveling through space would be easy, so there's a chance that humans will leave Earth and settle on some other planet, living with memories of the pale blue dot.
Tapos na?
Alone in space.
Mayroon pa pala isa.
Tirahin mo pa din ang isa para madala.
Suntakin kita. Ikaw ay...
Mayroon pa isang karayom, Tin, ah.
Mayroon pa nga. Ito turok. Gago ka. Ikaw
Ay, tuturok pa ba yan?
Gago ka.
Saan sa kabila naman?
Ha?
Kabila.
Di, dyan na.
Until next time, it's me, Dr. Binox, zooming out. Surface without getting finely hurt. Once we learn to walk, the next step will be to deal with the unavailable
Kita din.
Ano si Jen, Jen?
Alis dyan, love, kay pagtuturok ng tita mo eh. Alis dyan, kay may karayom yan.
Mag-iinom ako.
Mamaya, kay tuturukan pa lang mama mo. Alis dyan, matamaan si tita ah.
Make memorizing easier, but living on Earth, not so much. Well, let me explain by answering
Ano ga?
Tapos natin?
Sakit na.
Hindi.
Hindi masakit?
Yeah? Okay na.
Okay na. Ah, yeah. Bayad 1.5.